So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to create a Wattpad account. So first, you need to download the application first. Just go to the Play Store or just simply go to the App Store if you're using iOS. And then search for Wattpad, and as you can see, it will show like this. And once you see the Wattpad with the W icon, just click on it and you will see the download button or the get button right there. Just click on that. And once it is downloaded, just click on the open and you will redirect to this page. So there are much options on how you could start or create a Wattpad account. So basically, you could sign up using your Google, or you could sign up using your Facebook, or even your Apple, or even any other email. So just click on that. And Wattpad will ask for your informations just like your email, your username based on your preference, as well as your birthday and the optional, which is the pronouns. So after that, you just have to click on the continue for you to able to answer more informations, and that's it. You have created a Wattpad account. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.